Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all of you: personal finance. Money matters are crucial in our lives, and understanding the right rules can make a significant impact on our financial well-being. So, in this video, we'll be sharing 15 clever personal finance rules that you should know. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to optimize your existing strategies, these rules will help you make smarter decisions. Let's dive right in. Understand your financial goals. Before we delve into the rules, it's essential to understand your financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve financially? Are you saving for a specific purchase, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement? Knowing your objectives will help you tailor your financial decisions to meet those goals. 1. Create a budget that works for you. Rule number 1 is creating a budget. A budget serves as your financial roadmap, guiding you on how to allocate your income wisely. To make it work, track your expenses diligently and categorize them. Use apps or spreadsheets to assist you in managing your budget effectively. 2. Spend less than you earn. Rule number 2 is to spend less than you earn. It sounds simple, but it's a fundamental principle of personal finance. By living below your means, you create room for saving and investing, leading to financial stability and freedom. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Next up is rule number 3, tackle high-interest debt aggressively. Credit card debts and high-interest loans can become financial burdens. Focus on paying off these debts first, as their interest rates can cost you dearly over time. 4. Build an emergency fund. Rule number 4 is building an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and having a safety net to cover unexpected expenses is essential. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. 5. Prioritize saving and investing. Rule number 5 is to prioritize saving and investing. Make saving a habit and automate it if possible. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each month to ensure you consistently contribute to your financial future. 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification is rule number 6. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Diversification helps you take advantage of various opportunities and safeguards against significant losses. 7. Stay informed about financial matters. Rule number 7 is to stay informed about financial matters. Financial markets and regulations change, so it's crucial to keep yourself updated. Read books, follow finance experts, and attend workshops to enhance your financial literacy. 8. Learn to negotiate. Learning to negotiate is rule number 8. Negotiating your salary, expenses, or contracts can save you a substantial amount of money over time. Don't be afraid to ask for better deals or discounts. 9. Be cautious with credit cards. Rule number 9 is to be cautious with credit cards. While credit cards can be useful tools, they can also lead to debt if misused. Pay your credit card bills in full each month to avoid interest charges and only use credit cards for purchases you can afford. 10. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is rule number 10. Acquire new skills, certifications, or education that can enhance your earning potential. Investing in yourself can yield higher returns than any other investment. 11. Review and adjust your financial plan. Rule number 11 is to review and adjust your financial plan periodically. Life circumstances change, and so should your financial strategy. Regularly review your goals, budget, and investment portfolio to ensure they align with your current situation. 12. Plan for retirement early. Rule number 12 is to start planning for retirement early. The power of compounding can significantly grow your savings over time. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow. 13. Insure your assets and health. Ensuring your assets and health is rule number 13. Insurance provides financial protection against unexpected events. Make sure you have adequate health, life, and property insurance coverage to safeguard your financial future. 14. Avoid impulse spending. Last but not least, rule number 14 is to avoid impulse spending. Before making significant purchases, take some time to think it through. Impulse buying can derail your budget and financial goals. And there you have it, 15 clever personal finance rules that you should know. Incorporating these principles into your financial journey will help you make wiser decisions, achieve your goals, and secure a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments which rule resonated with you the most, or if you have any personal finance tips to share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy financial planning.